This video we will be making will be to create a app on the iBuild an app website. Now, the first step is to go to the website and select create an app. Then we've selected the music and radio feature. Then we selected the template. To create or design the app, you simply go to design and you press design. And then you choose a background, which if you look on the right, you see the background of our app, which is Dice Digital Radio. And it has the features of music, video, and photos, and video again, which we will explain later in the video why it's like that. Yeah? You pause it? Okay. Okay, ready. Press. Create the title or the name of the radio station. You simply go to the top left and then you click on the little pencil icon here, and then you simply type in the name of the radio station, which is Dice Radio Station, and press enter. If you look on the right where you see the GSM London logo, to add this feature, you simply go to design and you upload your logo, which will take you to this box, which would be the next feature would be the background, and you simply select or create a background, which we created for ourselves here, and then you select it and it will appear on the right just like this one. To create the layout of the video, you simply select layout at the top of the page, and here you could see where it says website. So for the GSM London website, you click on it, then you type the URL into the box here, and then you click save, and it will appear on the right, as you can see here, the GSM London website. Then our next feature that we added is the events feature, and you follow basically the same steps as we did before. So you select events here, you type your title events here, and then the URL RSS feed you type into or copy and paste into the box here, and on the right it will appear just like it did here, where you could see live feeds from around the world, such as Russia election, Littlefoot Skellington being unveiled, Brussels unveils plan to reform, and Argentina, stolen baby reunited with so and so. So this was fairly done easily.
Yeah.
You ready? Are you typing?
It's on.
Okay. So the next feature is social media, and we have to type into the POWR label here, which we tried to do earlier, and if you could look on the right, it shows no feed connected, simply because you have to create your own or import social feed from a plugin. So you have to download a plugin to actually operate this function properly. So that's another problem that the group ran into.
Yeah.
Now this feature that we try to add is the Instagram feature, which if you look underneath the Instagram feature, it says music. Now, this is another issue that we were having with adding the features. If you don't add the correct URL, or in this instance, the Instagram name, it will simply not work. As we saved it, and on the right, it still did not appear. So that's another kink that we will have to work out. Now the next feature that we added was the audio list. You simply add track, click on add track, then type the URL or type the URL, and it has to be an MP3 URL or else the function will not work. And then you simply press add, and it will appear in the right box as it did here, where we copied and pasted a gospel audio site here. Photos was pretty much straightforward. You click on album, then you upload. You have 4 choices. You could upload from Flickr, Picasa, upload photos, or media RSS link. We chose the upload photos. Click on the icon, select, and here you see we have a number of pictures from our own pictures category. Click on the picture itself, open it, and it automatically uploads to the iBuild website. Here you can see the finished product here on the right. Now if you one note, when you go to the layout, you can see there are 3 categories of features: the sidebar features, the body features, and the footer features. Now the sidebar features are here. Simply click on the icon here and you will see the GSM website, events, and social media. So if I click on GSM website, it will simply come up, as you can see on the right here. As an example of the body features, you could see as Instagram, which doesn't show. Then, as an example, the footer features, which are here at the bottom: Facebook, contacts. So the next feature that we uploaded was the video. Now the video was quite straightforward. You just simply click add a video and type in YouTube in the URL and select a video. As we selected G-Eazy and Halsey, and here on the website, the iBuild website, you can see the video here. Once you click add a video, it uploads to the website and the finished product is here. The first one is how to make an app, and the second one is G-Eazy and Halsey. So that was pretty straightforward. However, there are some problems that we have. If you don't select the correct icon and feature to match, it simply won't work. As you could see on the right, Instagram doesn't have anything. The box is empty because even though we have the page name Instagram, it says music underneath, and basically we did not type the Instagram name properly in the box, so it simply says blank. So you have to have the correct features with the correct icon, just as we did as an example with the photos. It says photos here, and you simply add to album and select it, and on the right it will come up here. Now at the end of the video, or just before we finish, we will test the app on our phone. So to test the app, you simply select test my app and you type the address, email address into the box and press send, and you will get an email straight to your phone. Now, as you can see, I've received the email to open the link. I've clicked on the email and it opens up the iBuild an app link, which I scroll down and select the link. And then I will select from the iBuild an app, select the search for the name of the app. This is Dice Radio. And then you click search. And here you can see the app is actually on the phone, where I will press or select, and then it will show the app on the phone. And here I will demonstrate how to use the app on the phone. So you select music, and here we go. As we said earlier, we didn't use the correct feature in the correct icon. So here we go. Instagram is actually in the music icon, and it doesn't work. So that's what I was saying earlier. It has to be compatible with the icon that you're selecting. So I'll show you a feature that actually works, which is the video. Here we go. Now, on the phone, we'll show you the sidebar menu. You simply click on the icon there, select the GSM website, and it takes you there. Now, while I'm using the app, my colleague is calling me, and I'm still able to use the app. So the app is very user-friendly, as you can see. So a call does not interrupt it. It still functions.
Yeah.
Now, we're trying to identify if the app would still operate properly if I was to get a text. So my colleague is texting me at the moment, and let's see if it is compatible enough to work while I'm getting a text.
Okay, go now.
And there you can see the text just came in from my colleague
Yeah.
while I'm using the app,
And the app is still functioning.
and it's still functioning.
That's fine.
So most of the functions does work, but there's some function that doesn't work. And additionally, what we've noticed that if we really wanted to put all the features that was requested by the stakeholders, we would have to spend more money. This is a free 14-day trial where the features are limited, and I am thinking to myself, if we need to add more features, we will definitely have to pay.